moving in Boston? Not all moves are the same. For high-value belongings and luxury homes, you need precision, care, and professionalism. Welcome to Better Life Moving, Boston's trusted white glove moving service. With over 500 reviews across top platforms and a 5-star rating, we specialize in making your move seamless, stress-free, and fully secure. From custom packing to careful placement, our team handles every detail with excellence. So what exactly is white glove moving? Unlike standard moving services, white glove moving includes custom packing and crating for delicate items, full protection of floors, walls, and entryways, safe handling of antiques, artwork, and designer furniture, professional loading, transport, and placement, complete unpacking and debris removal. Whether it's a luxury apartment, historic Boston brownstone, or waterfront condo, our white glove service ensures your belongings are protected from start to finish. At Better Life Moving, we also specialize in fine art and specialty item handling. Our team has experience with fine art and sculptures, antiques and heirlooms, designer furniture and chandeliers, wine collections, and custom decor. Every item is packed using museum-grade materials and handled with the highest level of care. For collectors, galleries, and high-end clients, we deliver the ultimate peace of mind. Why choose Better Life Moving for your white glove move in Boston? Because we combine expertise, reliability, and personalized service. Fully licensed and insured movers, trained white glove and specialty technicians, premium packing materials and equipment, discreet, reliable, and punctual service, customized solutions for every luxury move. From local high-end apartments to long-distance relocations, we manage every detail, ensuring your move is smooth, safe, and stress-free. Ready for a moving experience that matches the value of your belongings? Contact Better Life Moving today for a personalized quote and discover why Boston residents trust us for their white glove moves. Call us or visit our website to book your move. Better Life Moving, moving with care, precision, and excellence.